I like to break down the process of interior design into one that a lot of regular people can relate to because most of you probably learned a version of this in grade school. It's like completing a research paper or creative writing assignment. Step one is brainstorming and gathering notes. Step two is preparing an outline. Step three is moving to a rough draft, maybe several versions of a rough draft, before reaching step four, the final draft stage. When learning this, many younger kids want to skip steps and just start off writing the final draft. The outcome ends up being a rambling mess until they reach an age where they learn the process is essential to the final product. I see a lot of adults struggling with designing their homes because they start by going to a store and buying stuff for the final draft without going through the first three planning steps. They may go through a few rounds of that. Sometimes over the course of many months or even years, they end up with many things that don't work, regret their choices, then don't trust themselves to buy the rest of what they need. This results in a home that chronically feels unfinished, full of pieces that were purchased as band-aids rather than as intentional building blocks with an overall end goal in mind.